What is going on, guys? I'm gonna do a quick video today. I just got done putting the upper doors on. If you guys watched the last video, literally just got done installing these. Figured I'd take it for a quick rip, test it out, make sure everything's good to go. Got some person looking at me here. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but yeah, they're like taking off now. Anyways, so I figured since I got this out, this is kind of like a somewhat secluded location. I know someone just pulled back here. I don't know what their deal was, but I figured I'd do a quick walk around of the X3, kind of show everything that I have done to it so far. This is the 2022 Can-Am XRC Turbo RR. I know it's kind of a mouthful, but I did put a couple mods on it, nothing performance wise, mostly just creature comfort mods to keep me a little bit warmer. It is winter time to kind of get me through the winter. Starting off, they come stock with the Liberty 32-inch tires, 15-inch bead locks. The front bumper is factory on the XRC, as well as the 4,500-pound winch. I did go ahead and put the bent metal windshield on, is a glass DOT windshield, and then I did the wiper. I have videos for all of this stuff. I'll have it linked all down below if you guys have any questions. And then everything that I did to it, like accessory wise, I'll have all the parts and stuff linked down below as well. And then if you guys didn't watch the last video, I'll throw a card up in the top corner. Did just put the Can-Am upper doors on. Them were super easy to install, literally just got done with it. I have the Kemimoto fender flares, front fender flares, rear fender flares. Let me go around to the other side. I do have a 50-inch light bar that I haven't installed yet. I just have to order the brackets for it, but I have that at the house. Real quick before I go in, I do have, I don't remember who made these, but I'll have them linked down below in the description. Rock blocks, trailing arm guards. They have a couple different names. I put them on just to protect the powder coat, the finish on the trailing arm. On the inside, I guess another thing that I could have did on the outside, I have a rear window. I'll have that link down below. I have the aux beam switch pod panel, switch panel. So I have right now just the chase bar hooked up to it with the backup light. Let me show you the chase bar. I do have a 36-inch X-Bright chase bar. It does have a bunch of different modes and stuff on it, so if you're doing races, they have different flash patterns. I'm not going to go through them all right now just because it's like 8 degrees out, but it does have a bunch of different patterns you can do. I have it rigged up. Here, I'll show you how I got it. I have the main power for it on the aux beam switch pod, but then to switch the modes, I did go ahead and put the rocker switch over here in the dash. I have these other open slots for, like I said, the light bar. Once I get the front light bar hooked up, I have a radio I still got to install. I'm going to throw it down there, but that will be wired up to here, and then when I hit the backup light, it'll flip the camera on for the radio. So there's a bunch more mods I'm going to be doing to this thing. The only other thing I really have is the Kemimoto storage bag, which is right here. Literally just pull the access panel out, clip it on. The last video I did before the upper doors, I did the Kemimoto fender flares. I installed that in that video if you want to see how that goes on, and I'll have, like I said, all this stuff linked down below in the description, as well as all the parts, accessories that I have on the X3. They'll be linked down below as well. But yeah, figured I'd do a quick walk around of it since I have it out. I just picked this up. I've had it for 3 months, so this is kind of like my 3-month review of it. I only have like 200 miles on it because it is winter time. As you can see here in Michigan, it's pretty cold, so I haven't been putting a lot of miles on it. But yeah, I figured since I had it out, I'd do a quick video of it, quick walk around. Like I said, super quick. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It does help out the channel. And if you have any questions, drop them down below, and I do my best to answer them. But yeah, quick video for you guys. Till next time, I'm out.